Excuse me. I'm asking interview, but is it okay?
Sure.
Thank you. I'm so glad. And is it your trip?
Pardon?
A trip?
Yeah, trip.
Trip.
Yeah.
And day what? Like day 1 or day 2? Or?
Day 5, 6?
Day five?
Day 6.
Oh, almost a week.
Yeah.
And
Almost a week.
how long you gonna stay? Like 1 week or
11 days.
11 days?
Yeah.
So like 5 or 6 days more?
Yeah.
Where did you go so far?
We started in Osaka,
Osaka?
and then we went to Kyoto, and now Tokyo in
Oh.
Shenzhen. Yeah.
And so you arrived at Tokyo and moved to Osaka? Or directly to Osaka? And where are you from?
Pardon?
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Those people out in the line.
Oh, sorry.
No, push in.
And in Osaka, what was your impression?
We found it pretty dirty.
Smells bad?
And busy.
Busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
These are the Tokyo spots
And
to go.
Tokyo and Osaka has really different slang. So in Japan it has a little bit different culture.
Yeah, it's very different. Yeah.
Yeah. And did you eat something Japanese food? Some Japanese?
No, we didn't really eat anything, just sweet stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
In Osaka, what did you eat?
In Osaka, what did we eat? We ate McDonald's, didn't we? Kyoto.
We had Wagyu beef and teppanyaki stuff.
And is that something different?
Difference? Yeah. Big difference.
Like in McDonald's?
Pardon?
In McDonald's?
Yeah. Huge difference from back home too. A lot nicer here.
What?
A lot nicer here in Japan. Yeah.
And in Kyoto, what was your favorite thing?
In Tokyo?
Kyoto.
Oh, Kyoto.
Kyoto.
Probably
Gion.
Gion. Ah, beautiful street and kimono.
Yeah.
And you just arrived in Tokyo or
Yesterday.
you stayed today?
Yesterday, yeah.
Are you sleeping or not? Like you traveled a lot, right? Like you walked a lot. Thank you for asking.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And have a nice party. Thank you.